Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever scratched your head wondering how to properly mark an invoice as paid in QuickBooks Online, this video will make it crystal clear. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your records, keep your books accurate, and even send a professional confirmation to your client, all in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your favorite web browser and head over to QuickBooks Online. At the top right corner, click Sign In and enter your QuickBooks email and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Now, from the left-hand sidebar, look for the Sales section. This is where QuickBooks keeps all your customer-related transactions neatly organized. Click on Invoices and you'll see a list of every invoice, both paid and unpaid. Next, find the invoice you've recently received payment for. Once you've located it, click on Receive Payment. Here's where the magic happens. Enter the payment details carefully. Add the date the payment was received, the exact amount, and select the payment method, whether it's cash, bank transfer, or card. After double checking that everything looks right, click Save and Close, and that's it. QuickBooks will automatically update the invoice status to paid, reflecting the transaction instantly in your records. If you want to take it a step further, you can even send a payment confirmation email to your client right from QuickBooks. It's a simple extra step that builds trust and keeps communication professional. And there you have it. Your invoice is marked as paid, your records are accurate, and your client's in the loop. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more quick QuickBooks tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.